Prepare for a staggering revelation. The top 1% of households in America holds more wealth than the entire bottom 90% combined. Now let that sink in for a moment. It's a shocking reality, isn't it? We're not talking about a small fraction here, but a vast majority of the population, the bottom 90%. And yet, their collective wealth can't match that of the top 1%. The top 1% we're discussing isn't some enigmatic group, it's made up of real people. They are the CEOs of multinational corporations, the tech moguls in Silicon Valley, the Wall Street financiers, and the heirs and heiresses of old money. These are the individuals who, by virtue of their income and net worth, are in this exclusive club. Now, it's critical to differentiate between income and net worth. Income is what you earn, your salary, your dividends, your interest. Net worth, however, is a measure of your wealth. It's what you own minus what you owe. It's your assets, your cash, your home, your stocks, minus your liabilities, your mortgage, your loans, your credit card debt. When we talk about the top 1%, we're not just referring to their gargantuan incomes. We're shining a spotlight on their colossal net worth. Their assets, their properties, their investments, these are what elevate them to the top 1%. What's more, this wealth isn't stagnant, it's growing. It's expanding at a rate that outpaces the rest of the population. And this growth isn't just a product of their hard work or innovation. It's a result of a system that rewards wealth with more wealth. What does this mean for the average American? Let's dissect these figures. Diving into the numbers, the top 20% of households earn an average income of $233,895 annually. Now let's take a closer look at who exactly falls into this top 5th percentile. This group is often characterized by professionals, successful entrepreneurs, and corporate executives. They've climbed the corporate ladder, started their own businesses, or pursued high-earning professions like law, medicine, or engineering. To give you a clearer picture, imagine a room filled with 100 people. If you were to line them all up according to their income, the top 20 individuals in the line would be part of this percentile. They are the ones who are earning significantly more than the other 80 in the room. But income is just one part of the equation. Let's also consider net worth, the total value of everything they own, minus their debts. For the top 20%, the average net worth is over $2 million. This includes everything from their homes and cars to investments and retirement accounts. It's worth noting that this group isn't just made up of millionaires and billionaires. In fact, many in this percentile have achieved their wealth through a combination of high income, smart investing, and diligent saving. They've worked hard, made smart financial decisions, and reaped the benefits of their efforts. However, it's also important to remember that not everyone in this group has had the same opportunities. Factors such as education, family wealth, and even luck can play a big role in determining who makes it into the top 20%. This group certainly lives comfortably, but they are just the tip of the iceberg. While they earn and own significantly more than the majority, the gap becomes even wider as we move up to the top 10%, 5%, and 1%. But that's a story for another scene. Stay tuned as we continue to delve deeper into the income and net worth of America's wealthiest individuals. If we narrow down further to the top 10%, their average income skyrockets to around $394,030. This group generally includes high-earning professionals, small business owners, and wealthy retirees. These high-earning professionals span across various fields, from law and medicine to tech and finance. They are the ones who have climbed the corporate ladder or have specialized knowledge that commands a high price in the market. On the other hand, small business owners comprise a significant portion of this bracket. They've taken the risk, put in the sweat equity, and now their enterprises are reaping the rewards. And let's not forget the wealthy retirees. These are individuals who've diligently saved and invested over the years, and now they're enjoying the fruits of their labor in their golden years. But even this group pales in comparison to the top 5%. Moving on to the top 5%, their annual income averages at an astounding $614,242. Now, that's a number worth pausing for, isn't it? This group typically consists of high-level executives, successful entrepreneurs, and celebrities. And if you're picturing a lavish lifestyle, you're not far off. Remember, though, that these are averages, so there's a wide range within this group. But what does this wealth look like in terms of net worth? Well, to be in the top 5%, you need a net worth of at least $1.9 million. That's a lot of zeros, isn't it? But it isn't just about the income, it's about how it's managed. The top 5% aren't just earning high salaries, they're also investing wisely. They tend to have a diverse portfolio, with investments in real estate, stocks, and bonds. They're not just consumers, they're creators of wealth. They understand that to increase their net worth, they need to make their money work for them. But let's take a moment to think about the difference between income and net worth. Income is what you earn, but net worth is what you keep. It's the total value of everything you own, minus any debt. So while a high income can contribute to a high net worth, it doesn't guarantee it. It's about smart financial management and strategic investments. Of course, this level of wealth isn't without its challenges. High earners often face significant tax burdens and are constantly navigating an ever-changing economic landscape. But with the right financial strategies, they continue to grow their wealth and increase their net worth. Just think about that for a moment. The top 5% have an average net worth of nearly $2 million. That's a number that most people can only dream of. The figures are staggering, aren't they? But wait till you hear about the top 1%. Finally, the top 1%, a group that earns an average annual income of $1.53 million. Yes, you heard it right, million, with an M. This elite club includes some of the most well-known faces and names in our society. Billionaires, top business moguls, and celebrities, these individuals have a level of wealth that is truly staggering. Now, before we dive deeper, let's clarify what we mean by income. Income refers to the money that these individuals receive on a yearly basis. This could be through wages, profits from businesses, dividends from investments, or even royalties from their creative endeavors. And when we talk about the top 1%, we're discussing a group that's earning over $1 million annually. But income is just one side of the story. The wealth of these individuals is also reflected in their net worth, which includes the total value of their assets. Think real estate, stocks, bonds, businesses, and yes, even that fancy yacht, minus any debts. And here's where things get really interesting. The net worth of the top 1% is nothing short of astronomical. In fact, it's estimated that the average net worth of this group is around $24 million. Again, that's million with an M. But let's not forget, these are averages. The wealth within the top 1% is not evenly distributed. At the very top of this group, you have the billionaires, individuals whose net worth runs into the billions of dollars. These are the business tycoons, the tech giants, the entertainment industry moguls, whose wealth is so vast it's almost hard to comprehend. So there you have it, an exclusive glimpse into the income and net worth of the top 1%. A world of million-dollar incomes and multi-million-dollar net worths. A world where wealth is not just about financial security, but power, influence, and a lifestyle that is beyond the reach of the average person. The wealth disparity is truly mind-boggling, isn't it? To sum up, the wealth and income disparity in America is vast and growing. We've taken you on a journey through the financial landscapes of the top 20%, the elite 10%, the privileged 5%, and the exceedingly affluent 1%. What we've uncovered is a stark contrast between these groups and the majority of Americans. This income and net worth divide doesn't just represent different lifestyles, but also access to opportunities, resources, and a secure future. It's a gap that shapes the fabric of our society, affecting everything from education to healthcare, housing, to job prospects. For the average American, the implications are profound. It means working harder for less, struggling to find financial stability, and often feeling excluded from the American dream. The wealth gap in America is a complex problem that needs our attention. It's time we all understand the gravity of the situation.